Hey guys, you're watching Techrockers, and in today's video we're gonna unbox microphone. This microphone is for especially for YouTubers. You can use this for recording and video conferencing, internet chat, and gaming. You have many types of this same microphone, and now let's get into the unboxing. There is a simple box and yeah, in a box mic is placed and a stand with a 3.5 mm aux cable. Yeah, stand. Yeah, mic, you can see it has a metallic frame. I hope it's safe. Yeah, this you can see the metallic frame, volume button, and you can place it anywhere in front of the PC and record. Not only PC, any device you can connect it. It's a plug-and-play type. I prefer this for most of the YouTubers and instrumentalists for recordings. And you can see this wire is of 2 meter, and you can see the 3.5 mm aux cable. Hey guys, this is Techrockers, and today's video we are gonna watch the demo for this mic which we unboxed before. You can hear the voice. Yeah, this is the voice from this mic, and I have connected this mic to the PC. You can hear it quite good, I hope. This would be a really good choice for YouTubers. Thank you for watching this video.